Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. So I'll be chasing Tachiuo and Kuraguchi mainly here in Osaka Bay. It's a bit chilly morning. The temperature is around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius, but the water temperature is still around like 18-19 degrees Celsius, so still fish are active. And Tachiuo, by the way, is like a shiny silvery snake-like fish which swims vertically. Kind of unique, isn't it? And they're still in the mid-season, and the size is getting bigger towards the winter. So today I wish I could get like, you know, the size of dragon with 5 fingers, this wide. And the spot is quite deep. It's about 100 meters deep. And beside the spot there's a even deeper spot. That is where we can catch Kuraguchi. Kuraguchi looks like jewelfish, but the size is a little bit smaller and it's got black throat. That's why they're called Kuraguchi. And it's very, very tasty. The spot has 160 meter water depth, by the way, which is more than 500 foot deep. So what I'm gonna use today is this fast taper rod, Daiwa, with this electric reel, Daiwa Seaborg 200. Because the spot is very deep, so it takes too much time with the normal reel. So I'll be using this electric reel today. And this is the rig for Tachiuo fishing. It's called Tenya. We use the frozen anchovy attaching here and let it move like a, you know, jig. So let's attach this one. Make an 8 knot here and plus uni knot here. And this extension leader is 50 pounds because Tachiuo has very sharp teeth. And I brought this frozen anchovy. And attach the frozen bait like this. Okay, so let's get started. There are already hundreds of boats out here.
Not sure what kind of action matches, so I'm just trying many different actions. 1 pitch jerk, half pitch jerk, quarter pitch jerk, or just reel in and stay until I reach the hit pattern of the day.
Fish on! Fish on! It's small.
Cutting off the spine and dispatch it, and also cut gills to bleed. Now move on to Kuraguchi fishing after catching several Tachiuo. The water depth of this spot is around 160. It's pretty deep. It takes so much time to hit the bottom.
Fish on! Alright, this must be Kuraguchi. Yup. coming. It's coming up. 20 meters to go. Five meters. Right. See, it's got black throat, and this fish is super yummy. Kuroguchi in Osaka Bay, 160 meters deep. Fish on! Yes! Not a Kuroguchi. I stayed at the bottom for maybe 10 seconds or so, and then suddenly it hit. 85 meters to go. Yes. It's even bigger. It's even bigger. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. All right, another one.
So these are what I brought back this time. So let's prep these fish.
Now scale it and cut off the gills. And got it. And rinse off inside the rib cage. And wrapped in a kitchen paper to take off excess water inside the meat. And wrapped in a plastic wrap to get rid of oxygen. So let's prep for grill. First, butterfly the fish. And sprinkle some salt. And wrapped in a dehydration paper. And it's time for the grill. It's done, Kuroguchi grill. It tasted so rich and oily. Now move on to sashimi with the skin on. This time I used only the one side of the fillet, so it didn't cut off the head. and put the remain back to the fridge. Take off the rib cage and pin bones. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on the skin and burn it so that you can enjoy the crispy texture of sashimi. Soy sauce and wasabi are always the best match for sashimi. It's got a lot of oil between the meat and the skin. Now up to tachiwo rolls, making sushi rice first. Fillet some tachiwo. It's pretty easy. Just draw a guideline on both sides and cut along the spine. Now making a batter for tempura. Egg, flour, potato starch, and a little bit of water mixed together. And let it breathe in the fridge for a little while. Powder the potato starch. And deep fry in oil. Now up to making rolls. Sesame seeds. The sauce made of mayo and soy sauce. It's the most difficult part of it.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Making another roll. This one is the regular roll. The order of seaweed and rice are completely opposite to California rolls, and it's Japanese traditional way. Yeah, it's done. Tachiwa rolls. It was very good actually. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.